Hello, my friend. It is that time of year again. It is my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing video. I have done these videos, oh my goodness, for freaking ever. Since my kids were teeny tiny, when they were very excited about unboxing things, they were always in my videos. Last year, Phoenix dipped out on me. This year, John's dipping out on me, and I am alone. However, it's actually a little bit easier to not have them in the videos because I can just come down here and just film it and find out what's in the box without having to worry about other humans being in the video. If they will allow me, and if they find a picture that they like, I will put a picture of them on the screen now. This is what they look like. They're old. They're 11 and 14. Time does go by. But you came here for what's in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, so I'm going to just jump right into this right now. What did I do with my scissors? I can't jump into this right now without scissors. If you are not familiar with the Beautylish Lucky Bag, the concept is that you pay some money and they send you a mystery box worth of goodies from their website. Now, when these first started, those were relatively not very common. And these were very special because they came out the day after Christmas. It's always the day after Christmas, and then they ship shortly after. And unlike a lot of mystery boxes where everybody gets the same thing, in the Beautylish Lucky Bags, you never know what you're going to get. It's always a straight up mystery. You could get lower value, you could get lucky, and you could get a huge value item. You just don't know until you open it. And that's part of the fun, to see if you got extra lucky. I know they used to put gift cards in here, stuff like that, so we will see. I have to tell you, I forgot about the Beautylish Lucky Bag this year, and I usually get the bigger one, but that was sold out by the time they sent the email over that reminded me that I need to order mine. So this is actually the smaller one. It was $75 plus $10 shipping, but they guarantee you're going to get way more in the box. So let us see what is in here. It's always got this beautiful, gorgeous paper, and then there's a message about the Lucky Bag and explaining it and everything. So if you're interested in getting one of these, you gotta wait till December 26th of 2023. How many days from now is that? A long time, but it will be here before we know it. I'm gonna take the paper out, and I've got just this bundle here. And we will see whether this was worth $85 with shipping. Ooh, I see something from Briogeo first off. Ooh, okay, hold on a second. Take off the bubble wrap. Okay, so let's pull out the Briogeo. That's the first thing I saw. So this is the Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy Massager. So it's a scalp massager thingy. And I was actually just thinking yesterday when I was showering how nice it feels to scrub my head. So I might use this. Would I ever have purchased this in a million years? No. But watch it bring me a lot of joy. It probably will. Okay, let's go ahead and F up my hair real quick. Here we go. Yeah, it feels good. Yes. I've never bought something like this in my life. If you have one of these, do you use it with shampoo, or do you just take it on your head while you're watching Netflix? It does feel really good. It's giving me chills down my back. I like it. Very nice. I never would have bought that, but I like it. Okay, Good Molecules. Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. Very nice. What's the base of this? Sea Buckthorn Oil and Camellia Oil. Those are nice oils. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what they do, but I'm pretty sure they're moisturizing. I can't remember any other things, but I'm pretty sure, especially Sea Buckthorn Oil, there's quite a bit of things going on in there as far as good for the skin barrier stuff, but I honestly can't remember. So I'm excited about that. Let me open it and smell it. What it looks like. It's just got a little bit of an oily scent. Feels nice on the skin. It's already seeping into the skin. It's already drying down. Wow, that feels wonderful. I don't know if it's doing anything for me, but it feels nice. And I trust Good Molecules is a Beautylish brand, and they do make really nice stuff. Okay, next up, I see a lipstick. This is a Wayne Goss lipstick. Very nice. Ooh, and it's a color that I like. It's a pecan, and I love pecans. And I love brown. Brown shades are my jam, so I have to smell everything apparently. Yeah, it's got a, like, this one has a little bit of a, like a vanilla scent, something like that. It's a traditional lipsticky vanilla scent. Let's swatch. Very nice. I will definitely wear this. Feels very creamy. I think I have one Wayne Goss lipstick and I like it. It's very nice. Okay, let's see what this is. This is a brand I am not familiar with. MOB. Repurpose Compact Reusable. And I think this might be MOB2. I think it's a single. There's a singly in here. This is the Cream Clay Blush by MOB. Are you familiar with this brand? Because I am not. Unpackage. Ooh, this is pretty. I will definitely wear that. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is they give you the choice of light, medium, or medium deep. So they probably choose things like this based on that choice, which I think is fantastic. So it kind of pops right in here, I think. It's not fitting. What am I doing wrong here? Am I? You think, oh, duh, there's like a little... There we go. That was very hard to open. So if you have fine motor difficulties, that was very hard to click open. And then you pop this in here. There we go. Close this shut. Bam. And there we go. Very nice. Let us swatch. I'm digging cream blushes lately, so let's swatch that. Ooh. Pretty. Very nice. I will definitely use that. So far, Beautylish has done me well. Am I super duper uber excited? No, I'm not excited about anything. Maybe the hair thing, but definitely not worth my money so far. But there's more things in here. Let us see this. Okay, so this is a Goss Essential Lip Pencil, and this probably matches the lipstick. And I got Medium Nude. And it looks like that. I'm filming my FabFitFun video today, and I will definitely be more primed for that video. But this video is notoriously just come down and film. So that's what I'm doing. Here is the swatch. And it feels like a traditional lip pencil. Doesn't feel like anything special or fancy or anything. If these are special or fancy and I just don't know about it, let me know. But it definitely doesn't feel like anything special or fancy. So still not super excited. It does look like I have a Sonia G brush, which are fancy schmancy brushes. I don't know what to do with this. How would you use this brush if you got this brush? Now, see, I don't have a ton of lid space, so I would imagine this is supposed to be for blending, but this is never a shape that I ever reach for, even though it is beautiful. It is soft. I don't know if I'm going to reach for this. I'm so sad. This is not the last two Lucky Bags I really, really liked. I'm so disappointed so far. Just because this shape isn't, it's just not me. Like, could you use it for concealer maybe? But it's like so fluffy. I wouldn't use it for concealer. I don't know, maybe highlighter? I guess maybe highlighter. Like really pointed highlighter application. I don't know. All right, there's one bigger thing left in here and I don't know what it is. I don't recognize it. So let me open it. Let's see if you already know what it is. All right, it is a Hindash palette. Do I have this? I don't think so. This is the Monochromance Pressed Pigment Palette by Hindash, and I do already own this. It's right here. This is mine. This is the... No! Okay, let me swatch mine for you because this has now become a giveaway. All right, let's swatch so you can see what you're getting. So, I mean, it is a nice palette. I actually like the original palette better than this one, but it's nice. Let me just swatch this side of a few of them. The colors are just very, very hard pressed in here. So it's takes a little getting used to working with, but it's nice. I don't tend to reach for it just because I don't think to reach for it. I don't know. There are some pretty shades in here though. And you can use these for eyes, you can use them for face, you can use them for whatever. And that was the more lighter side. I just swatched that, but the deeper side is just a slightly deeper version of these colors. I thought that when I said Monochromance, I was like, is that a new blush palette? And it's like, no, that's the one that I already own. So this video has now become a giveaway. The Hindash palette that is brand new, that is right here, is going to be in the giveaway. I'm going to put it back in the thing. And then this goes back in here. Why? Why does it hate me? It doesn't want to give it away. Like, no, I refuse. I refuse to go back in nicely. I will not let you give me away. All right, there we go. Thank you. Okay, and then this goes in here. And this goes in here. Now, you saw that I did rub the brush on my face, but that's going to be in the giveaway. So if you care about that and you care that I just put it on my face, then don't enter. because I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to put the lip liner in there. And this has now become a giveaway. So the way that I do my giveaways is not in the comment section, because you know those scammers come to the comment section and they say, you've won, contact me on Telegram, contact me on WhatsApp. Those are fake. Those aren't real. So don't do that. I have an email address, and it's been a while since I've used it, but I believe it is Jen Loves Giveaway. And what you want to do is just email that email address and just say enter me or something. Whatever you want to email, it doesn't matter. I just need your email address. I will not use it. I will not mark to you. I'm not compiling a list. I'm not, like, it's literally just for the giveaway so I can pick somebody. Then after, let's say 2 or 3, 4 days, something like that, I will go through and I will pick a number, and the emails are all numbered, and whichever email is the number in my inbox, that's the person that's going to win, and I'm going to email you back at that email address. So I found that this is the safest way to do giveaways, because that way your information is not public, all of that. It's the safest way. So if you get any kind of comments underneath your comment that you've won the giveaway, it's not real, it's fake, it's not me. It will just be through your email address. And I'll put all the details in the video description so that you know what's going on. So with that being said, my Beautylish Lucky Bag for me was not worth $85, not even close. So the Briogeo hair thing, for me, I don't know how much these things cost, but for me, I would say like $8 probably seems like something you would pay for something like this. The oil, I know it's Good Molecules, is probably not very expensive, so let's give this a $15 price point. The MOB blush, I'm not familiar with this brand, but I would imagine this is probably maybe 20 bucks. And the Wayne Goss lipstick, I would say, I'm going to put it at the high end of lipsticks. I'm going to say 24 because it's Wayne Goss. But that's just a personal preference thing. I would love to know what you think down in the comments down below. Would you have been happy with this lucky bag? Every year when I get one that I don't really like, people ask me, will you do it again? Yes, absolutely. I do it every year. I plan to do it again next year. Even when I don't get my money's worth, it's still fun for me to unbox these, and it's a great way for me to try things that I've never heard of, that I don't know anything about. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Best of luck in the giveaway, and mad love to you. If you would like to hang out just a little bit longer, YouTube should be recommending a couple of videos for you right over here to watch. I picked the one on the bottom for you. YouTube's picking the top for you, but if you do need to go, it is no problem at all. Thank you for hanging out as long as you did. I hope you had fun, and again, mad love to you. I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye!